All right, Coffman, we have another safety video for you, just so that we all are on the same page again to stay healthy and safe. First, let's talk about the use of the restrooms. Our restrooms were not designed necessarily to social distance in and out, so we're going to ask you to be really careful going in and out of a restroom. You'll see some markings in the restrooms as well for that. One thing you're definitely going to see in the restrooms are signs to wash your hands. That's another huge piece of stopping the spread, is keeping your hands washed and doing it for an appropriate amount of time. So if you spend extra time washing your hands each time you go to the restroom, or even periodically throughout the day, that would be a big safety piece for you. So we're going to ask that you do that when you use the restroom. The other thing I want to talk about is hanging out before, hanging out during, at some point, school or after school. At this point, we can't do that. Hey, you guys can't hang out. You got to go to first period. I'm sorry, you got to go to your first period class and just sit in the room until school starts. Okay. All right, thanks guys. We're going to be asking you to get to a classroom, whatever room. If it's before school, get you to your first period classroom. If it's after school, if you have something, and if you don't have something, we're going to ask you to leave. We've got to clean the building out, and then we've got to start cleaning the building for the next day. So it's going to be different. I love it when kids hang out here and after school and get to talk, but it's just going to have to be different this year, and we're going to have to make sure that we do that. So I'm going to ask for your help there. You will see throughout the building more hand sanitizers, and feel free to use those at any time after you've been around and haven't washed your hands for a while, and hit the hand sanitizer, been touching books or whatever that might be. Make sure that you spend some time doing that. And the other piece I want to talk about is the drinking fountains. I mentioned this in a video before you got to school, but the drinking fountains are not open because it's such a high touch point area with your hands. But we are able to keep the water fillers open. So if you have a water bottle, it has a sensor. You don't have to touch anything but your water bottle. You can fill your water bottle up and keep that with you, keep you hydrated during the day. And we have those several places throughout the building in each wing. So we want to make sure that you understand that's available to you, but you will not be able to use those drinking fountains as they've been turned off. So that's all I have for second period. I hope you guys are doing great so far, and I'll see you again next period. Thanks.